In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upgrade an account, meaning how to buy an upgrade package or an affiliate package. As we see here, we are in our account. So we see here Utopia Global Dashboard Account, Precious Metals Store, Business Overview. We want to have to go obviously to Account. Then we see here Profile, Membership, Upgrade, Payout, Funding, History, and so on. So we're going to go to Upgrade, where this page is opening, and we see all these packages here: the Basic, Basic Plus, Member, Elite, Pro, All-Star package. And of course, all these packages have their different advantages. The member package has a deeper discount on the tokens if you purchase a store package. Now, for the United States citizens, of course, you have gold or silver in there. So please review the compensation plan for that. But let's go ahead here and upgrade one of these packages, and we want to buy with Bitcoin. So what are we going to do? We're going to select a package. So I select in this case this one, and you see Basic package, and it has a €50 monthly renewal plan. That's basically in order to stay active as an affiliate. If you wish to build a network and receive commissions, well, you got to be active. If you do not want to receive commissions and you don't care about building it, but you had joined as an affiliate, you know, you just buy whenever you wish product. So there's never a must. So what we have to do, of course, here is then click the terms and conditions. So by placing this order, you're agreeing to the bounded by the use of the terms. And of course, we want to then here select one of these payment options. And the payment option we want to show you today is Bitcoin. So we see here on the other hand side, the €99 Bitcoin upgrade now. Before I'm going to do and hit the button upgrade now, I want to make sure I actually have my Bitcoin wallet open. Why? Well, because it's going to save me time, precious time, in doing the transaction, because I have 20 minutes time to do the transaction. If in 20 minutes the transaction is not done, then it's most likely to either run out, so meaning timed out, or it could also be the case that it's underpaid, it's overpaid. So I really want to make sure I have a very good internet connection. I use the right wallet, a good wallet, because there's some wallets which just are very, very slow, and very often they're just timed out. And I'm using in this case today a Trezor wallet. A Trezor wallet is a hard wallet that actually did cost some money to purchase, again, you can use other wallets. I sometimes do a demonstration with Exodus. That's a free wallet. You can download that. You have Green Address. I mean, there's so many different Copay, Virex. You can have Uphold. Of course, you can have Coinbase. There's many different wallet providers. I just like to work with the hardware wallets because they are the most secure wallets. So, and also the great thing is on these hardware wallets, you can store multiple coins there as well, and have multiple accounts in just one of those hardware wallets, which is really great. So let's go ahead. I have now opened my Trezor wallet, as you see here, and I'm going to just basically do it from that Trezor wallet. So I will probably do it from this account, where I'm going to do the transaction from. So I will probably go to my legacy, my second legacy account here, and open that legacy account, and then click send, so that I'm already ready there, I'm prepared, and now I can go to my Utopian Global account, and I can hit the button upgrade now. So a window will open right now. Order placed. You will be redirected to the payment processor soon. So when this window is opening now, of course, you see here the invoice ID, that's the invoice ID, and then you see here the amount of Bitcoin and the Bitcoin address. So I'm going to copy paste that straight away, and put in the copy amount here, and I'm going to copy the address, and I'm going to put in the address right here. As you see, that's fine now. It's a Bitcoin amount. You see it's slightly higher. It's actually $112, but because it's automatically changing it in US dollars here. But I'm actually, of course, paying euros in this case here. And then I can select in the Trezor wallet. You can't select it in all of the wallets, but in Trezor I can. I can select the kind of fees I wish to use in order to actually send that transaction. Do I want to do a low custom, an economy, normal, or do I want to have a high fee? And then I can see how much actually the high fee cost. Well, the high fee here actually cost me $1.32. Don't have to do it, but I want to do a quick transaction here. So for the purpose of this one, so I'm going to actually do a high one here to really have it quick through. So let me just send it. So I'm now signing and sending a transaction with Trezor. You need to then confirm it actually. So with the Trezor, when the transaction is basically going through, you got to do an extra layer of security and enter it in your device. So you have this device holding in your hand. That's just really with Trezor. Other devices have other security measures. So as you see, it's running, so it's signing the transaction. Let me look what it says here. So we're still in the process of sending it. Now, of course, you have here the note, the annotation, do not pay this invoice from Coinbase wallet. Now, you can use a Coinbase wallet. This is just a suggestion. Okay, and now I get on my Trezor wallet the confirmation. Yes, I want to confirm. I want to confirm. Do I really want to send it? Yes. All right. So perfect. I had success in my Trezor wallet. Here you see that transaction has been sent. That does not mean, okay, it does not mean that the money has arrived at Utopian Global. No, it means just it has now gone out of my account in Trezor. It is in the air. It is still to be transacted, and the miners need to confirm that transaction. So depending where I'm in the line of these transactions, then, of course, those miners do confirm the transaction. That's why miners get paid for confirming transactions. And when that transaction is confirmed, so I have 20 minutes or less than 20 minutes now, then, of course, it goes through. And so this is why it's pretty important that you have a good stable internet connection and you have a good a good Bitcoin wallet. That's actually helpful, and then everything should be all right. So with a bad internet connection again, or with like not such a good wallet provider, which just take very long, or where you can't, or where some wallet provider they don't show it in Bitcoin. They may just have US dollars, so you need to calculate. So what is the euro amount? So we don't want you to do all that stuff. We just want you to copy and paste and enter into your wallet, and that's it. And you see here right now, I have one confirmation. So I'm going to just wait till the invoice actually says paid. Once the invoice says paid, that means then for me it's a confirmation. Oh, great. Actually, it went through. So certainly then it will be at Utopian Global. And then we just need to wait another half hour, maybe a little bit longer, that it is confirmed in Utopian Global, meaning that it's actually reflected. So you need to give it some time. Don't go into your wallet crazy, so into your Utopian Global account and wonder why you still have the status of a customer. Okay, don't do that. Just basically be patient. If it said here paid, it will eventually show in the Utopian Global wallet that you are now a affiliate. So you got to give it some time. So as you see now, the invoice is actually paid. So you see my payment invoice, it says paid, everything went through, very good. But again, it could be that it's timed out, overpaid, underpaid. And in these cases, you just have to send an email to support@utopianglobal.com. That is support@utopianglobal.com. Because understand, when an invoice is underpaid, overpaid, or timed out, the money has not arrived at Utopian Global, but the money has certainly gone out of your Bitcoin wallet, and the Bitcoin exchange does need to actually send it back. So every transaction, understand also, of course, it does cost a fee. That is where miners get paid from. So that means and that's really why it's so important to use a good wallet. If the invoices are timed out, underpaid, overpaid, so that transaction which goes which you were originally sending to Utopian Global, but then comes back to you because these cases happen, and that will also have a fee, so you will actually get less to your wallet back. That is the way it is with transactions, with Bitcoin transactions. Other than that, they are pretty great. They're awesome. They work worldwide. Anywhere in the world, you don't need to pay those expensive fees like the bank does or like credit card do. So it's way more of an advantage to have actually using cryptocurrency or Bitcoin in this case. So thank you for listening to this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next.